From the depths of the ocean to the lush rainforests, our planet teems with an astonishing array of creatures, each more bizarre and wonderful than the last. Across millennia, evolution has sculpted these animals, crafting adaptations that boggle the mind and challenge our understanding of the natural world. Prepare to be astounded as we uncover 70 rare animal facts, so incredible you might think they're straight out of science fiction. Our journey will take us from the microscopic to the colossal, from the familiar to the utterly strange. We'll encounter creatures that defy gravity, possess seemingly magical abilities, and challenge our very definition of life itself. Get ready to have your perceptions of the animal kingdom turned upside down. From the ethereal beauty of bioluminescent creatures to the raw power of apex predators, we'll witness the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. This is a celebration of the weird, the wonderful, and the downright unbelievable. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we delve into the hidden corners of the animal kingdom and uncover the secrets of these 70 rare animal facts. In the depths of our oceans, amidst the coral reefs and the kelp forests, exists a creature that seems to have unlocked the secret to eternal life. This is the Turritopsis dohrnii, more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. While most jellyfish have a defined lifespan, the immortal jellyfish possesses a remarkable ability. It can revert to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood. Imagine a butterfly instead of ending its life cycle, transforming back into a caterpillar. That's essentially what this tiny jellyfish can do. When faced with starvation, injury, or other forms of stress, it undergoes a process called transdifferentiation. During this process, its cells essentially reprogram themselves, transforming into different types of cells necessary to form a younger version of itself. This incredible feat is made possible by the jellyfish's unique cellular makeup. Unlike most animals, where cells are locked into their specific roles, the immortal jellyfish retains a remarkable degree of cellular plasticity. This means its cells can essentially revert back to a stem cell-like state, capable of developing into any cell type in the jellyfish's body. The implications of this discovery are astounding. While the immortal jellyfish isn't truly immortal in the sense of being immune to all threats, its ability to essentially rewind its life cycle challenges our understanding of aging and has sparked significant interest in the scientific community for its potential applications in human medicine. Across the sun-drenched plains of Africa and the salt flats of South America, a spectacle of pink unfolds. A gathering of long-legged creatures moves with an elegance and grace that is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. This is a flamboyance of flamingos, a collective noun as vibrant and striking as the birds themselves. The word flamboyance perfectly captures the essence of these magnificent creatures. Their bright pink plumage, a result of their diet of algae and crustaceans, is a vibrant splash of color against the often stark landscapes they inhabit. And their synchronized movements, a mesmerizing ballet of dipping heads and synchronized steps, is a testament to their social nature. But the flamboyance is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a vital survival strategy. By congregating in such large numbers, often reaching hundreds or even thousands of individuals, flamingos increase their chances of finding food and detecting predators. Their collective vigilance creates a network of watchful eyes, making it difficult for predators to approach unnoticed. Within the flamboyance, a complex social structure exists. Flamingos form strong pair bonds, and parents work together to raise their single chick. The flamboyance provides safety in numbers, ensuring the survival of future generations and perpetuating the dazzling spectacle of these pink-hued birds for years to come. The blue whale, the largest animal on our planet, possesses a heart that is equally awe-inspiring in its scale. In the vast expanse of the ocean, this colossal mussel, weighing up to 400 pounds, beats with a slow, steady rhythm, circulating the lifeblood of this majestic creature. Imagine a small car, compact yet spacious. Now picture that same volume occupied by a single, vital organ. The blue whale's heart, a testament to the wonders of natural engineering, is a symphony of power and efficiency, essential for sustaining the life of the ocean's gentle giant. In the depths of our oceans, there exists a creature so unusual, so unlike anything found on land, that it seems to defy our very understanding of biology. The octopus. One of its most remarkable features is its possession of not one but 3 hearts, a testament to the extraordinary evolutionary path it has taken. Two peripheral hearts pump blood through its gills, extracting oxygen from the water, while a central heart circulates the oxygenated blood throughout the rest of its body, a system of remarkable efficiency. As if three hearts weren't intriguing enough, the octopus further distinguishes itself with its blue blood. This unusual hue results from the presence of hemocyanin, a copper-rich protein that carries oxygen more efficiently in cold, low-oxygen environments, a perfect adaptation for life in the deep. Honey, a golden nectar crafted by industrious bees, holds a unique place in the natural world, possessing a remarkable quality: it never spoils. Archaeologists, delving into the depths of ancient Egyptian tombs, have unearthed pots of honey, sealed away for millennia yet still perfectly preserved. Imagine tasting the sweetness of honey unchanged by the passage of over 3,000 years, a testament to its extraordinary longevity. This remarkable resistance to spoilage is due to honey's low water content and high acidity, creating an environment inhospitable to bacteria and fungi, the usual culprits of food spoilage. Honey, a gift from nature, truly stands the test of time. The humble snail, a creature known for its leisurely pace, possesses an even more remarkable ability: the power to sleep for an astonishing 3 years. This extraordinary feat of hibernation is driven by a need to survive harsh environmental conditions. When faced with prolonged periods of drought or extreme cold, snails retreat into their shells, sealing the entrance with a layer of mucus. This mucus dries to form a hardened barrier, protecting the snail within from dehydration and temperature extremes. During this extended slumber, the snail's metabolism slows to a near standstill, conserving precious energy. It's a remarkable adaptation that allows these small creatures to endure challenging conditions that would prove fatal to many others. This ability to sleep for years at a time highlights the incredible resilience and adaptability of life on Earth, showcasing the extraordinary lengths to which creatures will go to survive. High in the eucalyptus forests of Australia lives a creature whose fingerprints have baffled even the most seasoned detectives. The koala, a marsupial known for its cuddly appearance, possesses fingerprints remarkably similar to those of humans. These intricate patterns of ridges and whorls unique to each individual are so alike that koala fingerprints have, on occasion, been mistakenly identified as human at crime scenes. This remarkable similarity is a testament to convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar features in response to similar environmental pressures. The koala's need for a firm grip on smooth eucalyptus branches, their primary food source, has driven the development of these remarkably human-like fingerprints. This adaptation provides them with the dexterity and grip necessary to navigate their arboreal world. So the next time you encounter a koala fingerprint, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of evolution and the remarkable similarities that can arise between seemingly disparate species. In the lush rainforests of Central and South America, a creature known for its slow and deliberate movements possesses a surprising ability. The sloth, an arboreal mammal, can hold its breath for an astonishingly long time, even surpassing the abilities of dolphins in this underwater feat. While dolphins, masters of the ocean depths, can hold their breath for an average of 10 to 20 minutes, sloths have been known to remain submerged for up to 40 minutes. This remarkable ability stems from their incredibly slow metabolic rates, which allow them to conserve oxygen efficiently. Their slow movements on land translate to equally leisurely underwater excursions, further minimizing their oxygen consumption. This adaptation allows them to navigate flooded forests and even cross rivers in search of food or mates. The sloth's ability to hold its breath for such extended periods is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in even the most unexpected environments. The African bush elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth, possesses immense strength and intelligence. Yet for all their might, these gentle giants are bound by a curious limitation: they are incapable of jumping. Unlike their smaller mammalian counterparts, elephants lack the necessary spring in their limbs. The anatomy of an elephant's legs differs significantly from that of a jumping animal. While most mammals have a degree of flexibility in their ankles, allowing them to generate force for a leap, an elephant's ankle bones are fixed in place. This unique skeletal structure provides stability and support for their massive weight, but at the cost of agility. Furthermore, an elephant's leg muscles are primarily designed for strength and endurance, not explosive power. Their muscle fibers are geared towards supporting their colossal weight and propelling them forward with a slow, steady gait. This efficient locomotion allows them to cover vast distances in search of food and water. Therefore, While an elephant may not be able to leap over a tall obstacle, its inability to jump is not a weakness, but rather an adaptation. Their unique anatomy, honed over millennia of evolution, has equipped them perfectly for survival in their natural environment. The rhinoceros, a powerful and iconic herbivore, is instantly recognizable by its distinctive horn. Contrary to popular belief, this formidable weapon is not made of bone but of keratin, the same fibrous protein that makes up our hair and nails. These tightly packed keratin fibers create a structure that is surprisingly strong and resilient. Unlike the horns of cattle or antelope, which have a bony core, the rhino's horn is entirely composed of keratin. It grows continuously throughout the animal's life, much like our own hair. The horn's outer layer is constantly worn down by rubbing against trees, wallowing in mud, and during confrontations with rivals. The rhino's horn serves a multitude of purposes. It is a formidable weapon used for defense against predators and for settling disputes with rivals. The horn is also used for foraging, digging up roots and tubers, and even for breaking branches to reach tasty leaves. Sadly, the rhino's horn has also made it a target for poachers. The illegal wildlife trade, driven by the unfounded belief in the medicinal properties of rhino horn, has decimated rhino populations worldwide. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. The humble cow, a familiar sight in pastures and meadows, plays a vital role in human societies around the world. Domesticated for millennia, these gentle giants are renowned for their milk, a staple food source for countless people. Over the course of her lifetime, a single dairy cow can produce an astonishing amount of milk, enough to fill nearly 200,000 glasses. A cow's ability to produce such volumes of milk is a testament to the remarkable efficiency of her digestive and reproductive systems. After giving birth to a cow's body begins to produce milk to nourish her offspring. This process, known as lactation, is triggered by hormonal changes associated with pregnancy and childbirth. Dairy farmers have developed specialized techniques to maximize milk production while ensuring the well-being of their cows. Through selective breeding and careful management, farmers have created breeds of cows that are particularly adept at converting feed into milk. The milk produced by dairy cows provides us with a wealth of essential nutrients, including calcium, protein, and vitamins. From creamy milk to tangy cheese and refreshing yogurt, dairy products form an integral part of many cultures' cuisines. The next time you enjoy a glass of milk or a slice of cheese, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable animals that make these treats possible. From the ghostly owls of the night to the majestic eagles that rule the day, the skies are a realm shared by a dazzling array of birds. But there are other creatures that have conquered the air, creatures that defy our expectations and challenge our understanding of what it means to fly. These are the bats, the only mammals capable of true sustained flight. Their wings, unlike those of birds, are not feathered wonders, but delicate membranes of skin, stretched taut between elongated finger bones. These living kites navigate the darkness with an agility and precision that belies their seemingly clumsy appearance. In the dead of night, when most other creatures are shrouded in sleep, bats take to the air, their nocturnal habits a testament to their unique adaptations. Their mastery of the night sky is not merely a spectacle of nature, it is a vital ecological service. As they flit through the darkness, they consume vast quantities of insects, acting as natural pest control and ensuring the health of our ecosystems. But their importance extends far beyond insect control. Some species of bats, like the fruit bats of the tropics, play a crucial role in pollination, their furry bodies carrying pollen from flower to flower, ensuring the continuation of plant life. And so, as the sun sets and the world is cloaked in darkness, let us appreciate these extraordinary creatures that have mastered the night. The bats, with their leathery wings and silent flight, remind us that the natural world is full of surprises, and that even in the darkest corners of our planet, there is beauty and wonder to be found. The annals of history are replete with tales of conflict and conquest, of empires rising and falling, of battles that raged for years, even decades. But amidst these epic sagas of human struggle, there exists a curious footnote, a conflict so brief, so seemingly insignificant, that it almost defies belief. This is the story of the Anglo-Zanzibar War, a conflict that lasted a mere 38 minutes. On the morning of August 27, 1896, a dispute over the rightful heir to the Zanzibari throne erupted into open conflict. British warships anchored in the harbor unleashed a furious barrage upon the Zanzibari royal palace, their cannons thundering a message of overwhelming force. The wooden palace, ill-equipped to withstand such an onslaught, crumbled under the relentless bombardment, its defenses reduced to rubble in a matter of minutes. The disparity in firepower between the two sides was staggering. The British, at the height of their imperial might, possessed advanced warships armed with the latest in naval artillery. The Zanzibari forces, on the other hand, were outmatched and outgunned, their resistance more symbolic than strategic. Faced with such overwhelming odds, the Zanzibari Sultan, Khalid bin Bargash, made the fateful decision to surrender, bringing the brief but bloody conflict to an abrupt end. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, despite its brevity, serves as a stark reminder of the brutal realities of colonialism. It highlights the vast technological and military superiority that European powers wielded over their colonial subjects, a disparity that allowed them to impose their will with impunity. And so this seemingly insignificant conflict, relegated to a footnote in the grand narrative of history, offers a glimpse into a turbulent era, a time when the fate of nations could be decided in a matter of minutes. In the hidden depths of our oceans, beneath the waves that crash upon the shore, lies a world teeming with life in all its strange and wonderful forms. Among the myriad creatures that inhabit this watery realm, the shrimp, with its translucent body and jerky movements, might seem rather unremarkable. But beneath its unassuming exterior lies a secret, a quirk of anatomy that sets it apart from many other creatures. The shrimp's heart, unlike our own, is not nestled securely in its chest cavity, but is located in its head, just behind its eyes. This peculiar placement might seem bizarre, but it is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in even the most challenging environments. The shrimp's heart is a simple organ, lacking the complex chambers and valves found in the hearts of mammals. Yet it performs the same vital function, pumping blood throughout the shrimp's body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to its tissues. This centralized location of the heart, close to the shrimp's brain and sensory organs, ensures a constant supply of oxygenated blood to these vital areas, allowing the shrimp to react quickly to changes in its environment. The next time you encounter a shrimp, whether on your plate or in its natural habitat, spare a thought for this curious crustacean and its unusual anatomy. It serves as a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, and that even the smallest and seemingly insignificant creatures can possess remarkable adaptations that have allowed them to thrive for millions of years. In the depths of winter, when temperatures plummet and the landscape is gripped by frost, a remarkable survival strategy unfolds. Certain species of frogs, such as the wood frog found in North America, possess the extraordinary ability to withstand freezing temperatures. As the mercury dips below freezing, these frogs seek refuge in leaf litter or shallow burrows. Their bodies begin to shut down, their breathing and heartbeat slow to a crawl. Ice crystals form in their skin and body cavities, but crucially, not within their cells. To prevent cell damage, these frogs produce a type of antifreeze, glucose, which acts as a cryoprotectant. This prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which could rupture cell membranes. As temperatures rise in the spring, these frozen frogs thaw out and return to life, seemingly none the worse for wear. This remarkable adaptation allows these frogs to survive in harsh environments where other amphibians cannot. It is a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. The island of Madagascar, a haven for unique and extraordinary wildlife, is home to a creature so small it could easily be mistaken for an insect. Discovered in 2021, the Brachysia nana, or Nano Chameleon, is the world's smallest reptile, measuring a mere 22 millimeters in length. This miniature marvel is so small that it can comfortably perch on the tip of a human finger. Its body is adorned with intricate patterns and colors, providing camouflage amongst the leaf litter of its rainforest home. Despite its diminutive size, the Nano Chameleon is a fierce predator, using its long, sticky tongue to capture even smaller insects. The discovery of the Nano Chameleon highlights the incredible biodiversity found in Madagascar's rainforests. These forests are under increasing threat from deforestation and habitat loss, making the conservation of species like the Nano Chameleon all the more crucial. Scientists believe that the Nano Chameleon's small size may be an adaptation to its environment, allowing it to exploit resources and niches that are unavailable to larger reptiles. This remarkable creature is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. In the eucalyptus forests of Australia, a remarkable songbird reigns supreme, its vocal repertoire unparalleled in the avian world. The superb lyrebird, known for its elaborate courtship displays and extraordinary mimicry skills, is a true virtuoso of the natural world. The male lyrebird possesses an astonishing ability to imitate a wide range of sounds, from the calls of other birds to the sounds of human activity. Their songs are complex and varied, often incorporating imitations of car alarms, camera shutters, and even chainsaws. This impressive vocal mimicry is thought to play a role in attracting mates. Male lyrebirds establish territories and use their elaborate songs to impress females. The more diverse and accurate their repertoire, the more attractive they are to potential mates. The lyrebird's ability to mimic such a wide range of sounds is a testament to the complexity of its vocal apparatus and its remarkable cognitive abilities. It is a reminder that the natural world is filled with wonders that continue to amaze and inspire us. In many parts of the world, the sight of a crow is an ill omen. Superstition has long associated these intelligent birds with death and misfortune. In truth, they are highly social creatures, often congregating in large numbers. These gatherings, perhaps surprisingly, are known as murders. It's a rather dramatic term for a group of birds, wouldn't you say? The name likely arose from the raucous, almost cacophonous sound a large group of crows can make. Imagine yourself walking through a misty field at dawn, the silence broken only by the rustling of leaves. Suddenly, a chorus of harsh caws erupts from the trees above. It's an unsettling sound even if you don't believe in the old superstitions. But while a murder of crows might seem menacing, it's important to remember that these birds are simply following their instincts, communicating and socializing just like any other species. The world of nature is full of surprises, and few creatures embody this better than the mantis shrimp. Don't let its relatively small size fool you. This underwater inhabitant packs a punch that would make a heavyweight boxer envious. In fact, it has the fastest punch of any animal on Earth. The mantis shrimp uses its club-like appendages to strike with incredible speed and force, unleashing a blow that can generate cavitation bubbles. These bubbles collapse with tremendous energy, creating a shockwave that can stun or even kill prey. Imagine the pressure of 1,000 suns concentrated into a single point, released in a fraction of a second. That's the kind of power the mantis shrimp wields. Its punches are so fast they're almost invisible to the naked eye, a blur of motion too swift for most predators to avoid. It's a testament to the ingenuity of evolution, a reminder that even in the depths of the ocean, there are creatures with abilities that defy our expectations. Across the vast savannas of Africa, a blur of spotted fur streaks across the landscape. This is the cheetah, the undisputed champion of speed in the animal kingdom. Its slender body and powerful legs are perfectly adapted for short bursts of incredible acceleration, reaching speeds that would leave even the fastest car in the dust. But this need for speed comes at a cost. Unlike its feline cousins, the cheetah cannot fully retract its claws. They remain partially extended, acting like cleats on a running shoe, providing extra traction and grip. Imagine a sprinter digging their starting blocks into the ground, poised for that explosive first step. The cheetah's claws serve a similar purpose, providing the grip it needs to launch itself forward with astonishing power. It's a trade-off that has served the cheetah well, allowing it to reign supreme as the fastest land animal on Earth. Its speed is its greatest weapon, and its claws, though seemingly a disadvantage, are an integral part of its success. Deep within the lush, verdant undergrowth of China and Korea, we find a creature of peculiar charm and diminutive stature, the Chinese water deer. Standing at a mere 20 inches tall, this miniature marvel is a testament to the diversity of the deer family. Unlike their larger cousins, these deer possess an extraordinary secret, almost entirely hidden beneath their fur. The male Chinese water deer, you see, brandishes not antlers, but fangs. These elongated canines, protruding downwards from their upper jaw, are formidable weapons used in territorial disputes and the battle for a mate. Their agility and speed are remarkable. Darting through the undergrowth, these shy creatures are a rare and precious sight. The fawns of the Chinese water deer are particularly endearing. So small they can fit in the palm of your hand. They are born with a spotted coat, providing excellent camouflage amongst the dappled light of the forest floor. The mothers are fiercely protective of their young, keeping them hidden until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Sadly, habitat loss and hunting have placed pressure on the Chinese water deer populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique and fascinating animals, ensuring that future generations may marvel at the miniature marvel that is the Chinese water deer. As darkness descends and the world sleeps, a different kind of creature takes to the skies. The bat, the only mammal capable of true sustained flight, is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted for a life shrouded in mystery. With wings formed from elongated fingers covered in a thin, flexible membrane, they dance through the night, their aerial acrobatics a testament to their mastery of the air. Their nocturnal habits belie a world of extraordinary sensory perception. Unable to rely on sight alone in the darkness, bats have developed echolocation. Emitting high-pitched sounds, they interpret the echoes that bounce back from their surroundings, creating a detailed map of their environment. This remarkable ability allows them to navigate, hunt, and even identify individual insects with astonishing precision. From the smallest bumblebee bat, weighing less than a penny, to the gigantic flying foxes with wingspans reaching up to 6 feet, the diversity of bats is truly astounding. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems, pollinating plants, dispersing seeds, and controlling insect populations. Yet, despite their vital role, bats are often misunderstood and feared. Their association with darkness and their somewhat unusual appearance have led to negative perceptions. However, these fascinating creatures deserve our admiration and protection, for they are a vital part of the intricate web of life on Earth. The adaptations that allow bats to rule the night sky have come at a cost. Their skeletal structure, while perfectly engineered for flight, presents a significant challenge for terrestrial locomotion. The bones in their wings, so delicate and light, are simply too thin and fragile to support their weight on the ground. Unlike birds, who can easily switch between walking and flying, bats have made a different evolutionary trade-off. Their hind limbs are rotated backwards, allowing them to hang upside down when at rest, a position perfectly suited for taking flight. This unique adaptation, however, renders walking an almost impossible feat. While some larger bat species, like fruit bats, can shuffle awkwardly along branches using their claws and forearms, true walking is beyond their capabilities. They are, in essence, prisoners of the sky, their very existence dependent on their ability to remain airborne. This dependence on flight makes bats particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and environmental changes. The destruction of forests, their primary roosting and foraging grounds, poses a significant threat to their survival. It is our responsibility to ensure that these masters of the night sky have a place to call home, for their fate is inextricably linked to our own. The avian world is alive with song, a symphony of chirps, tweets, and trills that fill the air, especially during the breeding season. For some species, like certain male songbirds, this melodic performance is nothing short of extraordinary. These tireless troubadours can sing more than 2,000 times each day, their voices ringing out from dawn till dusk. Imagine for a moment the sheer vocal stamina required for such a feat. This continuous outpouring of sound is crucial for attracting mates and defending territories. Each song, a complex arrangement of notes, carries vital information about the singer's fitness and availability. This relentless singing is not without its costs. The energy expenditure is significant, requiring these birds to consume a substantial portion of their body weight in food each day just to fuel their vocalizations. Yet the survival of their lineage depends on this remarkable display of auditory endurance. Their songs, echoing through the forests and meadows, are a testament to the power of communication in the animal kingdom, a reminder that the natural world is a symphony of sound, with each species playing its own unique and vital part. Menopause, the cessation of reproductive cycles in females, is a fascinating biological phenomenon. While common in humans, it's surprisingly rare in the animal kingdom. In fact, only a handful of species experience this distinct life stage, including elephants, humpback whales, and of course human females. What makes this trio so unique? Scientists believe that menopause in these long-lived social species might have evolved to provide a survival advantage. For instance, older females, no longer burdened by the demands of their own offspring, can devote their time and energy to supporting the survival of their existing children and grandchildren. This grandmother hypothesis suggests that the wisdom and experience of older females play a crucial role in the success of the group. They become repositories of knowledge, guiding younger generations and ensuring the transmission of vital cultural and ecological information. The phenomenon of menopause, though seemingly paradoxical, highlights the intricate ways in which evolution shapes life histories. It underscores the profound interconnectedness within social groups and the enduring impact of elder females on the survival and prosperity of their kin. In the vibrant tapestry of the animal kingdom, nature rarely fails to surprise us with its boundless creativity. From the iridescent plumage of birds of paradise to the intricate patterns on butterfly wings, the diversity of colors and forms is truly astounding. Yet certain traits remain exceptionally rare, their presence a testament to the capricious nature of evolution. Blue eyes, for instance, are uncommon in the wild. While many primates possess dark brown or amber eyes, only two species, apart from humans, can boast truly blue irises. The blue-eyed black lemur of Madagascar, with its striking contrast of dark fur and piercing gaze, is one such rarity. The other is the blue-eyed lemur, a critically endangered primate found only in a small region of northwestern Madagascar. These captivating creatures, with their soft gray fur and mesmerizing blue eyes, are a poignant reminder of the preciousness and fragility of biodiversity. Their very existence highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect these unique and threatened species. For in their sapphire gaze we catch a glimpse of the extraordinary beauty and wonder that the natural world holds, a treasure trove of life that we must strive to preserve for generations to come. The arachnid family is known for its patience, but the tarantula takes this to another level. These hairy, often intimidating creatures are masters of ambush, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to stumble into their carefully crafted webs. But their patience extends far beyond the hunt. These resilient spiders can withstand incredible periods of famine, demonstrating remarkable adaptability in the face of adversity. Imagine going without sustenance not just for days or weeks, but for months on end. For the tarantula, this is simply a fact of life. Scientists believe that their slow metabolism and ability to conserve water contribute to this extraordinary feat of survival. 2 years is an incredibly long time to go without a meal, yet the tarantula persists. This remarkable adaptation highlights the diversity of life on Earth and the extraordinary lengths creatures will go to in order to thrive. They are a ubiquitous presence, often unnoticed beneath our feet, but the sheer number of ants on this planet is staggering. For every single human being, there exists an estimated 1 million of these industrious insects. Ants are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in diverse ecosystems from rainforests to deserts. Their colonies, often vast and complex, are a testament to their remarkable social structure and cooperation. Individually, they may seem insignificant, but collectively, ants play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. They turn and aerate the soil, disperse seeds, and even help to control populations of other insects. Their abundance is a testament to their evolutionary success, a success built on teamwork, adaptability, and a relentless work ethic. The kangaroo, an iconic resident of the Australian outback, is instantly recognizable by its powerful legs and enormous tail. This tail, far from being merely decorative, is crucial to the kangaroo's remarkable hopping abilities. Acting as a counterbalance, the tail allows the kangaroo to maintain its equilibrium while bounding across the landscape. It's a remarkable example of adaptation, perfectly suited to the demands of their environment. But this reliance on the tail has an unexpected consequence. If you were to lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it would be rendered incapable of hopping. This seemingly simple act effectively disables the kangaroo's primary mode of locomotion. The kangaroo's reliance on its tail highlights the interconnectedness of an animal's anatomy and its ability to thrive in its environment. In the hushed twilight of ancient forests and across moonlit meadows, owls stand as silent sentinels of the night. These enigmatic predators, with their piercing gaze and uncanny ability to turn their heads almost a full circle, have captivated human imagination for millennia. But did you know that a collective of owls is called a parliament? This fitting term evokes images of these birds perched on branches, their soft hoots and eerie calls echoing through the night, much like deliberations in a grand old hall. The term parliament likely arose from the owls' perceived wisdom and their tendency to gather in groups, especially during the breeding season. Just as parliamentarians gather to discuss and debate matters of importance, so too do owls seem to engage in a symphony of calls, perhaps sharing information about hunting grounds or potential threats. The next time you find yourself beneath a star-studded sky, listen closely for the whispers of the parliament. Their haunting calls are a reminder of the hidden wonders that the natural world holds, waiting to be discovered by those who listen closely. In the kelp forests off the North American Pacific coast, a creature of remarkable charm and intelligence makes its home, the sea otter. These furry marine mammals with their playful antics and insatiable appetites are a delight to behold. Living in the turbulent waters of the open ocean presents a unique challenge for sea otters, especially when it comes to rest. To prevent themselves from drifting apart while they sleep, sea otters often engage in a most endearing behavior. They hold hands. This touching display of affection is not merely a whimsical quirk, it serves a vital purpose. By clasping paws, often entwining themselves in kelp for added security, sea otters can rest peacefully, drifting gently with the currents without the worry of being separated from their companions. The sight of a raft of sea otters bobbing gently amidst the waves, their paws intertwined, is a testament to the power of companionship in the animal kingdom. It's a heartwarming reminder that even in the vast expanse of the ocean, love and connection find a way. The canine world is a symphony of barks, yips, howls, and growls. From the high-pitched yap of a Chihuahua to the booming bark of a Great Dane, dogs have a remarkable range of vocalizations used to communicate with their human companions and each other. Yet, in the heart of Africa, there exists a breed of dog that defies this canine convention, the Basenji. Known for their striking resemblance to ancient Egyptian deities depicted in hieroglyphs, Basenjis possess a unique characteristic. They do not bark. Instead of a bark, the Basenji communicates through a series of yodels, whimpers, and an unusual sound described as a baru, which resembles a melodic chortle. This unusual vocalization is thought to be a result of the Basenji's unique larynx structure, which differs significantly from other dog breeds. The Basenji's quiet nature made them highly prized hunting companions in their native Africa, as their silence allowed them to stalk prey without giving away their position. Today, this unique trait makes them a popular choice for city dwellers seeking a quieter canine companion. Across the arid plains of North America, a creature of remarkable resilience makes its home, the Texas horned lizard. This reptile, adorned with an array of horns and spines, possesses a truly extraordinary defense mechanism. When threatened by a predator, the horned lizard can inflate its body, making itself appear larger and more intimidating. However, if this tactic fails, it resorts to a more drastic measure. By constricting the blood vessels in its head, the horned lizard can increase the pressure behind its eyes. This buildup of pressure culminates in a jet of blood aimed directly at the attacker. The blood, laced with a foul-tasting chemical, serves as a potent deterrent, causing the predator to recoil in disgust. The horned lizard, having secured its safety, can then scurry away unharmed. This remarkable adaptation highlights the extraordinary lengths to which animals will go to survive in the face of danger. The Texas horned lizard, with its blood-squirting defense, stands as a testament to the ingenuity of nature's evolutionary processes. In the hidden depths of our oceans, a myriad of creatures with fascinating adaptations thrive. Among them is the humble shrimp, a crustacean familiar to many as a culinary delicacy. However, beneath its unassuming exterior lies a surprising secret: the location of its heart. Unlike most animals, whose hearts reside within their chests, the shrimp's heart is situated in its head. This unusual placement is thought to be linked to the shrimp's unique respiratory system, which involves gills located near its head. The shrimp's heart is a small muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout its body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to its vital organs. Its location in the head, while peculiar, is a testament to the diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable ways in which organisms have evolved to suit their environments. The next time you encounter a shrimp, whether on your plate or in the vast ocean, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of its unusual anatomy. In the tranquil gardens and damp undergrowth, we encounter the unhurried world of the snail. These gastropods, known for their slow and deliberate movements, possess an equally remarkable ability to slumber. While many animals hibernate during harsh winters, snails take this a step further. They are capable of entering a state of dormancy known as estivation, a period of prolonged sleep that allows them to survive extended periods of drought and extreme temperatures. During estivation, a snail retreats deep within its shell, sealing the entrance with a layer of dried mucus. This acts as a protective barrier, preventing moisture loss and shielding the snail from the harsh external environment. In this state of suspended animation, the snail's metabolic rate slows dramatically, allowing it to conserve energy and survive for months or even years without food or water. This incredible adaptation showcases the resilience of life and the remarkable strategies employed by animals to thrive in challenging environments. The snail, a symbol of patience and perseverance, reminds us that even in the face of adversity, nature finds a way. High in the eucalyptus forests of eastern Australia lives a creature with an uncanny resemblance to us, at least in one specific way. The koala, a marsupial known for its cuddly appearance and eucalyptus diet, possesses fingerprints remarkably similar to those of humans. These intricate patterns of ridges and whorls, unique to each individual, are so alike that even under a microscope, it can be incredibly difficult to differentiate between a koala's fingerprint and a human's. This remarkable similarity has on occasion led to confusion at crime scenes, where koala prints have been initially mistaken for those of a human perpetrator. Imagine the surprise of investigators dusting for prints, expecting to find clues left behind by a human suspect, only to discover that the culprit was a furry, eucalyptus-loving marsupial. While amusing to imagine, such instances are rare, and forensic techniques have advanced to quickly distinguish between human and koala fingerprints. In the hidden world beneath fallen leaves and damp logs, a creature of remarkable sensory perception makes its home: the slug. Often overlooked and dismissed as simple creatures, slugs possess a surprisingly sophisticated olfactory system. In fact, they have not one, but 4 noses, each with a unique function. 2 of these noses are located on the tips of their long, retractable tentacles. These tentacles, constantly exploring the environment, are used to detect chemical cues in the air, helping the slug to locate food and potential mates. The remaining 2 noses are located on the underside of the slug's head and are used to detect chemicals on the ground. This incredible olfactory system allows slugs to navigate their environment with remarkable precision, even in complete darkness. They can detect the faintest whiff of a tasty mushroom or the alluring scent of a potential mate from a considerable distance. The next time you encounter a slug making its slow and steady progress across your garden path, remember that beneath its unassuming exterior lies a creature with a remarkably keen sense of smell, a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Of all the creatures that inhabit our planet, few are as universally despised as the mosquito. Their incessant buzzing and itchy bites are a constant nuisance, especially during the warm summer months. But what many people don't realize is that it is only the female mosquito that is responsible for these irritating bites. While both male and female mosquitoes feed on nectar and plant juices, the female requires a protein-rich blood meal to develop her eggs. Her mouthparts are specially adapted for piercing skin and drawing blood, equipped with a long, sharp proboscis that acts like a miniature syringe. The male mosquito, on the other hand, has a less developed proboscis and primarily feeds on sugary substances. Once the female mosquito has obtained a blood meal, she will rest for several days while her eggs mature. She will then lay her eggs in standing water, where they will hatch into larvae and begin the cycle anew. So, while the buzzing of a mosquito may be universally annoying, remember that it is only the females that are responsible for those itchy bites. The males are simply looking for a sugary treat. The polar bear, an apex predator of the Arctic, is known for its iconic white coat. But did you know that beneath this snowy fur lies a secret? Polar bear skin is, in fact, black. This pigmentation helps them absorb as much heat as possible from the sun, a crucial adaptation for survival in frigid temperatures. The black skin acts as a natural solar panel, trapping heat from the sun's rays. This is particularly important given that polar bears live in one of the harshest environments on Earth, where temperatures can plummet to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. This adaptation allows them to maintain a stable body temperature, even when surrounded by ice and snow. Furthermore, the polar bear's fur is not actually white, but rather translucent and hollow. These hollow hairs act like tiny fiber optic cables, channeling sunlight down to their dark skin, maximizing heat absorption. This remarkable combination of black skin and translucent fur showcases nature's ingenuity in equipping creatures for survival in even the most extreme conditions. So, while we marvel at their snowy coats, let us remember the hidden secret beneath, a testament to the power of adaptation and the remarkable resilience of life in the polar regions. As darkness descends and the world prepares for slumber, bats take to the skies. These nocturnal navigators are truly unique in the animal kingdom, for they are the only mammals capable of true sustained flight. While other mammals like flying squirrels can only glide for short distances, bats have developed powerful wings that allow them to soar through the air with incredible agility. Their wings, delicate yet strong, are essentially modified hands, with elongated fingers connected by a thin membrane of skin. This intricate structure provides the lift and maneuverability needed for their aerial acrobatics, enabling them to hunt, migrate, and navigate with exceptional skill. From the smallest bumblebee bat, weighing less than a penny, to the giant golden-crowned flying fox with a wingspan of up to 5 feet, bats display an astonishing diversity in size and appearance. Yet they all share this remarkable ability to fly, a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible adaptations found in the natural world. Their nocturnal lifestyle and remarkable flying abilities make bats creatures of mystery and wonder. As they flit through the night sky, they remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the many secrets that the natural world still holds. The skies belong to the bats, their mastery of flight unmatched in the mammalian world. However, this remarkable adaptation has come at a cost. While their wings are marvels of engineering, their legs tell a different story. The leg bones of a bat are incredibly thin and delicate, making walking impossible for most species. This skeletal structure, while seemingly fragile, is a necessary trade-off for the power of flight. By reducing bone density and weight, bats have maximized their ability to take to the air. Their lightweight limbs allow for greater maneuverability and speed during flight, enabling them to chase after insects, pollinate flowers, or escape predators with ease. While this skeletal adaptation prevents most bats from walking, it hasn't hindered their ability to thrive. They have developed other methods of locomotion on land, such as using their claws to drag themselves along, or even climbing up vertical surfaces with their powerful forelimbs. The bat's anatomy is a testament to the power of natural selection, showcasing how evolution favors adaptations that best suit an animal's ecological niche. Their delicate leg bones, a consequence of their aerial prowess, serve as a reminder that every adaptation comes with a trade-off, a delicate balance struck over millennia. The world of birdsong is a marvel of nature, a complex and beautiful tapestry of sound. For some species, like certain male songbirds, this symphony is an essential part of their daily routine. These tireless troubadours can sing more than 2,000 times each day, their melodies echoing through the forests and fields. This extraordinary vocal prowess serves several purposes, from attracting mates to defending territories. The sheer volume of songs ensures their message carries far and wide, reaching potential partners and rivals alike. Each species has its own unique repertoire, passed down through generations, shaping the soundscape of their environment. The energy required for such vocal athleticism is immense. These small creatures have evolved efficient metabolisms and specialized vocal organs, allowing them to produce such a remarkable output. Their dedication to song is a testament to the power of communication in the animal kingdom. Next time you find yourself surrounded by the chorus of birdsong, take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of their vocal performance. It's a reminder of the intricate and often unseen wonders of the natural world playing out all around us. Menopause, the cessation of reproductive cycles, is a fascinating biological phenomenon. While common in the animal kingdom, it's remarkably rare amongst mammals. In fact, only 3 species are known to experience menopause: elephants, humpback whales, and human females. This intriguing shared trait has puzzled scientists for years. Why would these seemingly disparate species, with vastly different lifespans and social structures, evolve such a similar life history strategy? One prevailing theory suggests that menopause evolved to enhance the survival of offspring. By ceasing reproduction later in life, older females can invest more time and resources into their existing children and grandchildren, increasing their chances of survival. This grandmother hypothesis proposes that the wisdom and experience of older females play a crucial role in the success of their descendants. Whether caring for calves on the African savanna, nurturing young whales in the vast ocean, or guiding human families, these menopausal matriarchs demonstrate the enduring power of intergenerational bonds. Their presence enriches their social groups and contributes to the long-term health and stability of their populations. In the dense rainforests of Madagascar, a creature of remarkable beauty resides, the blue-eyed lemur. Their piercing blue eyes, a rarity in the primate world, are a striking contrast to their thick, soft fur. These captivating creatures are one of only 2 primate species, aside from humans, to possess truly blue eyes. This unique trait is a result of a genetic mutation that affects the pigment melanin in their irises. While most primates have brown eyes due to high melanin levels, blue-eyed lemurs have a lower concentration, resulting in their stunning azure gaze. These elusive creatures are highly social, living in small family groups that navigate the forest canopy with remarkable agility. Their vibrant blue eyes, though beautiful, are not just a matter of aesthetics. They serve an important social function, allowing for complex communication within their groups. The blue-eyed lemur serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the fascinating ways in which evolution shapes even the smallest details of an animal's appearance. Their captivating gaze is a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. The tarantula, a creature often feared for its size and appearance, possesses an almost unbelievable ability to withstand hardship. These spiders, found in diverse habitats around the world, are remarkably resilient when it comes to their dietary needs. Imagine going without food for months, even years. The very thought might seem unbearable to us, but for the tarantula, it's a testament to their remarkable adaptations. Their slow metabolism and ability to conserve energy allow them to endure long periods of famine. 2 years is a long time to go without a meal, but for a tarantula it's a testament to their patience and resilience. This incredible feat of survival is a testament to the harsh realities of life in the wild, where food sources can be unpredictable and scarce. Their ability to withstand these conditions is just one of the many reasons why tarantulas continue to fascinate and intrigue us. They remind us that even in the most challenging environments, life finds a way to persist. The sheer abundance of life on Earth never ceases to amaze. Consider the ant, a tiny creature often overlooked beneath our feet. Their numbers are truly staggering, a testament to their evolutionary success. For every single human on this planet, there exists 1 million ants. Imagine that for a moment. 1 million tiny creatures for each and every one of us. Their colonies, often vast and complex, are a marvel of nature's intricate workings. Ants have colonized almost every landmass on Earth, from the rainforests to the deserts. They are the ultimate collaborators, working together in unison for the benefit of the colony. Their success lies in their numbers, their unwavering work ethic, and their remarkable adaptability. Their presence in our world is a humbling reminder of the incredible diversity of life and the sheer scale of the natural world that surrounds us. The kangaroo, an iconic symbol of Australia, is renowned for its powerful leaps across the outback. But this remarkable athleticism relies on a crucial element: its tail. This extraordinary appendage is far more than just a counterbalance. A kangaroo's tail acts as a third leg, providing crucial stability and balance as it bounds across the landscape. It's a muscular appendage, capable of supporting its entire body weight. This allows the kangaroo to conserve energy while hopping, making it a remarkably efficient mode of transportation. However, this incredible hopping ability is completely reliant on the kangaroo's tail. If you were to lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it would be rendered incapable of hopping. It would be like removing a crucial component of a well-oiled machine. The kangaroo's reliance on its tail highlights the interconnectedness of nature's design, where every feature serves a specific and vital purpose. In the depths of the forest, beneath the cloak of night, a parliament convenes. This is no ordinary gathering of politicians. This is a parliament of owls. These nocturnal raptors, with their piercing gazes and enigmatic calls, have long captured our imaginations. The term parliament seems fitting for these birds, often associated with wisdom and knowledge. Their gatherings, however, are less about debate and more about survival. A parliament may consist of a family group or a larger gathering drawn together by the promise of food or a suitable nesting site. Within these gatherings, owls communicate through a complex system of hoots, screeches, and hisses. Each call carries a specific meaning, conveying information about territory, food sources, or potential threats. Young owls, still learning the ways of the parliament, listen intently, absorbing the wisdom of their elders. As the night progresses, the parliament gradually disperses, each owl returning to its solitary hunting grounds. The forest falls silent once more, leaving behind only the faint echo of their calls, a reminder of the hidden world that thrives beneath the moonlit canopy. In the kelp forests of the Pacific Ocean, a heartwarming sight unfolds. Sea otters, those playful and charismatic creatures, drift peacefully on their backs, their paws intertwined. This endearing behavior, far from being a mere display of affection, is essential for their survival. Life in the kelp forest is fraught with challenges. Strong currents and the vastness of the ocean pose a constant threat to these marine mammals, especially during sleep. To prevent themselves from being separated from their kin or swept away by the relentless surge, sea otters have developed a remarkable adaptation. They hold hands. This simple act provides a vital lifeline, ensuring that they remain together throughout the night. Mothers often wrap their pups in kelp fronds, further securing them against the ocean's currents. As they sleep, their intertwined paws serve as a constant reminder of their bond, a testament to the power of family in the face of adversity. The sight of these floating families gently bobbing amidst the kelp is a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of life in our oceans. It serves as a testament to the extraordinary lengths to which animals will go to protect their own. Across the globe, from the bustling streets of Mumbai to the frozen plains of Siberia, the sound of a dog's bark is a familiar one. Yet in the heart of Africa, there exists a breed that defies this canine convention, the Basenji. Known for their distinctive yodel-like vocalizations, these ancient dogs possess a unique larynx that renders them incapable of barking. Originating in the Congo Basin, the Basenji's history is shrouded in mystery. Revered by indigenous tribes for their hunting prowess and quiet nature, they were often used to flush game from dense undergrowth. Their lack of a bark proved advantageous, allowing them to stalk prey silently and effectively. While they may not bark, Basenjis are far from silent. They communicate through a range of intriguing sounds, including yodels, whines, and growls. These vocalizations, often accompanied by expressive body language, are more than sufficient to convey their needs and emotions to their human companions. The Basenji, with its independent spirit and unusual vocalizations, stands as a testament to the diversity of the canine world. It reminds us that even within a single species, evolution can produce remarkable variations, each uniquely adapted to its environment and way of life. Deep in the arid deserts of North America, the horned lizard has evolved an extraordinary defense mechanism. When threatened by a predator, this remarkable reptile can squirt a jet of blood from its eyes. This unusual ability stems from a specialized blood vessel in the lizard's head. When the lizard feels threatened, it restricts blood flow out of its head, causing pressure to build up. This pressure eventually ruptures a thin membrane in the lizard's eyelids, propelling a stream of blood towards the predator. This bloody spectacle, which can reach a distance of up to 5 feet, is surprisingly effective. The blood not only startles the predator, but it also contains a foul-tasting chemical that makes the lizard unappetizing. This ingenious adaptation highlights the incredible lengths to which animals will go to survive in the wild. The horned lizard's bloody defense is just one example of the extraordinary adaptations found in the animal kingdom, a testament to the power of natural selection. The humble shrimp, a denizen of our oceans and a staple in many cuisines, harbors a surprising secret. Unlike most animals, whose hearts reside within their chests, the shrimp's heart is located in its head. This unusual anatomical arrangement might seem bizarre, but it makes perfect sense when considering the shrimp's biology. The shrimp's head, or cephalothorax, is a fusion of its head and chest, housing vital organs such as the brain, stomach, and of course, the heart. The shrimp's heart is a simple, sac-like organ that pumps blood throughout its body. It lacks the complex chambers and valves found in the hearts of more complex animals, reflecting its relatively simple circulatory system. This curious placement of the heart is not unique to shrimp. Other crustaceans, such as crabs and lobsters, also share this characteristic, a testament to their shared evolutionary history. From the bizarre to the beautiful, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. These 70 rare animal facts are but a glimpse into the extraordinary diversity and wonder of life on Earth. We've journeyed from the depths of the ocean to the soaring heights of the sky, encountering creatures both familiar and strange. But there are countless more secrets waiting to be uncovered, countless more wonders to inspire our curiosity. So subscribe to our channel and join us as we continue to explore the incredible world of nature. There's always something new to discover, something amazing to learn, in the wild and wonderful tapestry